Hey, good evening, everyone. I'm Agedgraceful. Welcome to my channel. Tonight is KIRF Collab Makeup Theme Night, and tonight we're creating orange makeup looks. Our themes for this fourth and last quarter of 2024 were created by Stephanie C. from the Glitzzy Gems channel. Additionally, we'll be welcoming a new member, Fash Fab Beauty. I hope that she's able to join us this month, but if not, I hope that she can join us next month. So welcome her wholeheartedly when you see her. Before I begin, let's take a look at the ladies' inspiration photos. I love the color orange. Didn't they look absolutely beautiful? Let's get started with what I'm going to do this evening. I'm going to be using two palettes. I have first Coca-Cola times Morphe. This palette is a couple of years old, 1971. This is the year that I was a teenager. I graduated high school in 74. So when I saw this palette, I had to have it. I'll be taking my transition shade from this palette, but it wasn't a true enough orange. So to get a true enough orange, I'll be using the Zulu palette by Juvia. And I'll show you what these palettes look like as soon as I get started. But before I begin, I want to get some lip oil on my lips. This is the Winky Lux in the Stars lip oil. Oh, it feels so good. Very rich. And it stays with you for a while. Look at this tube. You can see the stars in here. I've had this maybe a year, but never used it. Maybe a year and a half. I'm not sure. I got it out of a Ipsy Glam bag, so I've had it for a while. Next up, I'm going to be using a little bit of the Morphe Prep and Set. So I'm going to get a little bit of this on. I've already done my eyebrows. This is a new canister. Get that on and let that set up a little bit. My foundation, and let me get my glasses. This is by Ulta Beauty. It's the Complexion Crush. This is a medium coverage foundation tint. So this is regularly $18 and they had it on sale for $3. So I said this color looks close to my skin tone. So we're gonna see what we're working with tonight when I use this Ulta Beauty skin tint. And I think that's it for all my products. So let's get started. Okay guys, as I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna be using Ulta Beauty's Complexion Crush. This is a skin tint in dark neutral that I purchased just a couple of weeks ago on sale for $3. I'm just going to apply this with my fingers and then I'll use a brush to buff this into my complexion. Okay guys, here's my 1971 Coca-Cola times Morphe The Unity Collection palette. This was a limited edition palette which came out about 3 years ago, I want to say. I've only used it twice. However, I've dipped into the shade Total Unity and I'm now applying this as my transition shade. I am applying this shade with a light hand because I want my Juvia shade to be the star of the show. With that being said, I'm now moving on to the Zulu palette by Juvia's, and I'm picking up this bright orange shade and applying it to my outer third. Using a medium bristle blending brush, I'm going to blend out this orange shade. In case you guys are wondering, Total Unity is a matte shade. Moving on to the inner corner, I'm going to apply a shimmer glitter shade. This shade is called Lovey Dovey. I absolutely love all the names of the shades in this 18 pan palette. They are so hippie, so 1970. Using the same medium-sized blender, I'm going to blend these two shades where they meet so that there's a smooth transition from one shade to the next. On my waterline, I'm going to add a little bit of black gel liner. This is by NYX. To set my skin tint, I'm just going to use a very light dusting of my Fenty Pro Filter Powder Foundation in shade number 400. And now I'll bronze using Revolution Beauty Bronzing Powder in the shade Medium. I decided to skip blush today. I didn't want to combine orange and red. I think it would be a little bit too much. I have a question for you guys. What is your favorite go-to palette when you need an orange shade for your makeup look? Leave your answers in the comments section, please. To apply my lashes, I'm using the Kiss Liner Lash Glue in the shade Clear. Today I'm wearing a curly fox style lash by Kiss. Time for my lippy. This is a lippy that I got from the Asian beauty supply store for $1.49. It's by Clean Color and the shade is number 8. The shade name is called Tingling Mimosa. When I purchased this lippy, I did purchase several different shades just for makeup themes such as this. I have a very beautiful mustard shade and I cannot wait to wear that. Well, everyone, this completes my look for this month. I want to thank Stephanie C. from Glitzzy Gems channel for coming up with this look. She is our creative manager for the last quarter of this year. Thank you so much, Stephanie. If anyone else is interested in becoming a part of KIRF Collabs, please contact me at Instagram under the name Agedgraceful, and I'll be happy to get you started. You guys take care, and thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you the next time. Bye now.